This thing is broke.
If she's going to the mall anyway, she can come to the racetrack.
This thing's broke. You know that?
Does the screen come?
Yeah, the front one. Like you can't see the front one.
You can. What about Sunday?
See it? You can't see.
You're traveling Sunday?
Alright, so we already lost something today.
We definitely lost something.
We lost. We haven't even made it. Hey, Uranus. We like Uranus. I mean,
Quick shout out to Uranus. If you've never had fudge from Uranus,
you're missing out.
you're missing out, especially the nutty fudge.
It's an astroliner for your Uranus.
Yep. Look at that. See ya, Uranus.
Hey, you know where Willard Asphalt St. Robert Plant is located?
Uranus.
Uranus. Right behind those apartments. I'm gonna say it's up Uranus that way.
Yes.
Weird.
Hey, we finally got around this. Had traffic clogged up.
I prefer non-driving mother.
Yeah, I think you could say on YouTube, but you can't drop an F-bomb.
No.
But Matt keeps forgetting to edit ours. So there's like F-bomb after F-bombs. People think I cuss like a sailor.
Well, you kind of do.
I'm working on it.
Like worse or better?
I'm trying to get back. So like my friend Kenny Wallace says the F word is an adjective. Drop the bomb.
I agree.
So like it's not like you're
Actually,
it just helps you describe it more like that. Like you're not like that was a bad idea. When you say that's a bad idea, then you know it's a worse. So it's like emphasizing.
you know, it's actually
Emphasize.
more than just an adjective, really.
It's probably a
We're not going to go into all the things you can use with that word. I'm just saying that I'm using it as an adjective in this.
Understood.
Like that guy driving that semi was a dumb mother brother. There we go, mother brother.
That's awesome.
Mother brother.
Mother brother. Brennon's
pickles
getting
and ketchup.
pissed because he can't get over because people are stupid. Hey, this pink car, purple car's good.
Anyways, we already lost one battle today. But we are going to
We're gonna win the war.
Tri-City Speedway in Granite City, Illinois with the World of Outlaws. They only had like
The most powerful late models on the planet, the World of Outlaws. Hey, remember that Chevy Silverado video?
Yes.
Remember when it said, you want to haul a heavy load, get yourself a gosh dang Chevy Silverado?
Yes.
And then remember what it said about a Ford? If you want to swallow a heavy load,
There you go.
get a Ford.
That's what she said.
No.
And then they come out with that truck this week.
They did. They
Yeah.
did. You know, whoever designed that truck needs a Bud Light.
Like,
I like Bud Light. Here's to you, Mr. Ford Lightning SVT engineer. You took the most manly truck that Ford had.
It made it
into
queer. I mean, we always knew that Ford trucks were kind of funny.
Lord knows I ain't judging anybody. You guys seen the dumb in my life?
yeah.
Jesus is gonna be
Yeah.
like, hey bud, you don't need to be judging anybody. Does my brother stand at home?
I don't think he's coming. I think he's going to sit on the side of the pool with his Miller Lite
And wife.
and his wife
And his daughter.
and his wonderful, wonderful little daughter, Atlee Grace.
Shout out to Atlee.
Shout out to Atlee.
We're heading Tri-City. How far are we away?
2 hours is what I was just told.
Alright, we're 2 hours away. We'll see you guys when we get there. Well, Brennon did the Dennis Herb. Picked the bottom off. And
Choose cone was not good to us.
and top side's rolling around us.
Yep.
Like we're on the wrong side of the road.
Yep. My driveway ain't even paved yet and it's smoother than that.
When's that getting done?
When I feel like the rock's cured enough.
Do you know anybody that can
I
pave
do,
your driveway?
and I'm not paving my driveway until I feel like it's cured out.
Do you have a connection with somebody?
I do, and I get to decide when I'm doing it. But the problem is there's paying customers ahead of me.
Ah, I understand. Man, this is kind of cool. Why don't you sit up here?
He can't pedal. He's 3'4". favorite. Hey, you know,
He's like, this is my favorite trip of the year. Oh yeah, it's the first time I rode with you in a hauler.
What you got up here? Oh, we don't even have a CB.
I know, ain't that some baby back bull? Breaker 19. It's the snowman, come on.
We got a white Jeep coming up on the left side.
Come on. Thug music, some redneck.
Hey, it's kind of lonely at the top.
Man, you're dumb.
Just when I think you couldn't possibly be any dumber.
Some people just think cut out for life on the road.
I was thinking the same thing. Look at what we got here.
Last year I parked at the bowling alley to get in here.
At the bowling alley?
Right, yeah, that right down there. This son of a gun. He has a brake on there right now.
Bless your heart.
Brennan and his
With all due
drivers
respect.
today. Brennan and I have not had a good drive.
No, we have not. We freaking hit a rainstorm so hard that we didn't see. It's officially race day. Time to get dressed. Figure out what we got going on. Get these race cars better. So there's 33 or 4 cars here. We're in group 2. Larson, B-Shep. A lot of guys that are good in our group, but it's all right. It's World of Outlaws. It's what you come here for. So. Kept it out of the wall. Don't know how I kept it out of the wall. Not good. I've been racing a while. Now one hurt the most. We'll try to update everybody when we come home. We're gonna be out for a while. This car's hurt. I hate race cars and everybody that owns one. We made it home. What happened tonight?
B-Dub went for a ride.
I'm good at junking my...
You did it right.
When I junk, I do it right. I might take a video of me getting up in the morning, maybe. If that happens.
Better charge the camera.
Yeah. Tonight sucked. It's Monday night. What are you doing, Nick? How's your day been?
It's been fun.
So, went to the doctor and got an x-ray this morning and got a phone call from the doctor, and they said that I have a compression fracture of T3 and T4. Brennon's not racing for a while, obviously. Not real sure. I'll probably go into this more in a different video, but I've got a 9-year-old son and a 5-year-old daughter that mean the world to me. They're my #1 responsibility. And no matter how much fun I'm having racing and how hard I work and pursue that, they gotta come first. So I'm going to heal up. I still have a business to run that has 50 employees depending on me, and so I'm gonna heal up, and I doubt we race again this year. I'd be very shocked if we're cleared to race for a while, and I'm obviously gonna make the decision on my own. Doctor told me 8 to 12 weeks. I don't even know when 12 weeks is, but that's a long ways away, and just to be truthful, as bad a years we've had, 12 weeks doesn't seem like that long, but the reality of the situation is my family comes first. There's the aftermath. And that's what'll get you hurt every time, is the right front impact. And you hit with the right front direct like we did, that's what hurts you. Old Claire, she was a pretty good old gal in the mud. She gonna need some TLC, and she'll probably find a new home, because I don't see me racing her obviously the rest of this year. So got the seat out, motor out, and pull the motor, send it to Vic, make sure it's okay, and put it up in the corner, and then decide what to do. But we'll have a lot more updates, I guess, when we figure out more what's going on. But Monday after the crash. What's up? My dad's always been worried about this happening, but I don't think this is a major deal, but he's going to think it is. Go get an MRI, find the right neurosurgeon, and get a treatment plan. So hopefully back going. Maybe the MRI will show that it isn't broken and they made a mistake. We never think will happen to us, and we all think we're invincible, but we're not. So
that brings us to Tony is going to be driving the #3 car.
we combined shops a couple months ago, and so he was like, "Hey, let's run your number for a little bit just for fun." I'm like, "Okay." So he was kind of doing it as a buddy deal, and have him give my cars a roll, and one of his cars and one of my cars, and see what happens. And maybe we can, evidently it wasn't good luck for him in the 56 this year, wasn't good luck for me in the 3, so we'll try something different.